নতুন ৰিভলিউশ্যন আনিব বিচাৰিছোঁ য'ত ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ভেহিকেল টু হুইলাৰ ইয়াতে লঞ্চ কৰা হৈছে গুপ্তা এণ্টাৰপ্ৰাইজৰ অধীনত আৰু আমাৰ যিটো ইলেক্ট্ৰিক স্কুটিৰ কোম্পানী সেইটো হৈছে আপোনাৰ কাইনেটিক গ্ৰীণ। কাইনেটিক গ্ৰীণ আজিৰ পৰা 50 ইয়াৰ্ছ আগতো যদি আপোনালোকে গম পায় তেওঁলোকে বহুত ধৰণৰ ভেহিকেল টু হুইলাৰ ভেহিকেল প্ৰডাকশ্যন কৰিছিলে য'ত লুনা মেইন ব্ৰাণ্ড প্ৰডাক্ট আছিলে তেওঁলোকৰ। তাৰপিছত হোণ্ডাৰ লগতো টাই আপ কৰি তেওঁলোকে ছানি স্কুটাৰ বুলি এটা ফাৰ্ষ্ট স্কুটাৰ কনচেপ্টটো আনিছিলে ইণ্ডিয়াত। তো আজিৰ ডেটত যিহেতু পলিউশ্যন বহুত বেছি আৰু পলিউশ্যনক প্ৰতিৰোধ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে কাইনেটিক গ্ৰীণে पर्यावৰণৰ কথা চিন্তা কৰি পেলাই ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ভেহিকেলৰ লঞ্চ কৰিছে আৰু সেইটোকে আমি আজি কোকৰাঝাৰত ৰাইজৰ মাজত আৰু আপোনালোকৰ সহায় সহযোগিতাৰ মাজত আজি ইয়াৰ উদ্বোধনী কৰিম। বাকী গাড়ীৰ বিষয়ত আমাৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্ট এৰিয়া মেনেজাৰ মিষ্টাৰ অৰ্ণৱ ৰয় চৌধুৰীয়ে
Well, hello everyone. I'm pleased to announce that we have inaugurated our dealer of Kinetic Green, Mr. Digambar Singh Gupta, over here. And we pleased also that we are going through the corner of the each and every district, each and every corner of the city, and to make environment friendly for the entire northeast areas. We as a Kinetic Green has taken an initiative before 3 to 4 years ago of making to electric revolutions, as we are pioneer to internal combustion engines, but we came into the second generation of business of doing electric revolutions over here. And we are excited to announce also that we have come with the 4 models, which we have only 2 unregistered and 2 registered models. In upcoming futures we are coming with high speed models, which is yet to be announced, with advanced features. And also I am looking forward, and we are looking forward to gain into a mileage of another pioneer of the automobile industries also. And being as a Digambar ji, what I pleased is that we are very much confident to grow the business in the entire lower Assam as per the discussion with him. And being ourselves, we are also pleased also that we can give the after sales and service, and also we can happy our end users. Well, our eLuna is our main product, the main icon of the company or the organization, as it was earlier in the 1990s in petrol, and now we have came into the electric. And the mileage, the prices are very very flexible. It can be affordable to each and everyone. We have defined EMI schemes, we have defined finance also, and we are looking forward, and we are looking forward with Gupta Enterprise also for the upcoming future to grow up the market.
How many distance will be covered in one time?
We'll have 2 segment of scooters. One is unregistered, which is of 25 as per the motor vehicle registered norms, and one will have 75 and another will have 100. There is a mileage of a difference between the ampere of the batteries, and we have another 2 high speed models also, that is eZulu and eLuna, which will be covered near about 90 to 110 kilometers, and which have a top speed of 50. They are registered models, and they can be upcoming for the registration of insurance, license, each and everything. And well, I'll say as a person that helmet is mandatory for the unregistered also, for the registration model also. It's a life saving for us.
Any special features here newly?
Any special features that I will say is that we are coming with another big brand model, which will be a geotagging with geofencing model, and that will be a premium segment scooter. Well, this is a basic model of scooters. What we are looking is that is for the family scooters. We have some what they are carrying capacity scooter also, carrying a load, this 2-wheeler also eLuna, and mainly we are pioneer to 50 years of experience. Well, I have nothing to say on the. We have a legacy, 50 years of legacy we have. That's it.
are expecting from Kokrajhar customers?
Well, it will be a new testing experiment over here, and as Assam government is promoting electric two-wheeler, I personally believe that people nowadays is looking forward for the environment friendly. So, and the costing of the petrol two-wheeler and the prices of the petrol has been increased. So people are wanting for commuting to be low budget and affordable scooters and friendly ways. So what I believe is that Kokrajhar people will accept this wholeheartedly, and we look forward with Digambar Da to enrich ourselves in the entire city, in the entire district, in the each and every heart of the people. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you.